Welcome to the Tech Thrill, where we review the top tech products. In this video, we'll be going over the top 5 webcams. Number 5. Best Budget Webcam, Microsoft LifeCam HD3000. The Microsoft LifeCam HD3000 is our pick as the best budget webcam. The HD camera features true color technology that provides superior color and brightness in almost all lighting conditions, including low light and backlight, letting you capture bright and colorful video that can easily be shared and posted to your favorite social media. Its 720p HD sensor has a 16:9 aspect ratio and delivers motion video at 1280 by 720 resolution and up to 30 frames per second. It captures still images at 1280 by 800 resolution and also has a 24-bit color depth. The webcam has an integrated omnidirectional microphone that has crystal clear audio and acoustic noise cancellation. The camera has multiple imaging features including digital pan, digital tilt, vertical tilt, swivel pan, and 4x digital zoom. It also has fixed focus from 0.3 meters to 1.5 meters. Its flexible universal attach base easily attaches to your monitor, laptop, or notebook and works great for those on the go. The camera is easily set up by connecting its USB 2.0 cable. You'll be up and running within minutes. If you're looking for an easy-to-use and affordable webcam, the Microsoft LifeCam HD3000 is a great choice. Number 4. Best Streaming Webcam, Logitech StreamCam. The Logitech StreamCam is our selection as the best webcam for streaming. The 1080p camera has a 16:9 aspect ratio and captures video at 1920 by 1080 resolution and up to 60 frames per second for vibrant, true-to-life video with smooth motion and crisp details. You can also turn the camera to instantly shift into portrait mode and capture full HD vertical video in 9:16 aspect ratio, which is perfect for Instagram and Facebook stories. It has a 78-degree field of view. The webcam has premium audio performance with its dual omnidirectional microphones that can make you sound more authentic and vibrant to your audience. The microphones feature a noise reduction filter and can be used as stereo or dual mono channels. The camera features smart autofocus that uses AI facial tracking and delivers accurate focus no matter where you're positioned, and auto exposure that finely tunes the image so you look your best in a variety of lighting conditions. The webcam uses USB-C connection to ensure efficient video transfer speeds. It's optimized for OBS, XSplit, and Streamlabs so you can stream effortlessly. You can achieve the perfect angle for any stream or video with its versatile mounting options. The monitor mount can tilt and pan, or you can mount it to a tripod. The built-in electronic image stabilization reduces camera shake from accidental bumps or movements. Combine the StreamCam with the Logitech Capture program to unlock features that automate exposure, framing, stabilization, and more so you can focus on making your best content. If you're looking to get into streaming, the Logitech StreamCam will feature everything you need. Take a moment to hit the like button if you're enjoying the video so far. Let us know in the comments below what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 3. Best 4K Webcam, Logitech Brio. The Logitech Brio is our pick as the best 4K webcam. The 4K camera has a 16:9 aspect ratio and captures video at 4096 by 2160 resolution and up to 30 frames per second. It can also capture 1080p at 60 frames per second and 720p at 90 frames per second for outstanding clarity, smoothness, and detail. The webcam has an adjustable field of view. You can adjust from 65-degree field of view to frame your head and shoulders, or choose 78-degree field of view or 90-degree field of view to capture more of the room you're in. You can get a closer look with 5x HD zoom. It features Bright Light 3 and HDR technology that automatically adjusts and helps you look professional in any lighting environment. The camera has integrated dual omnidirectional microphones with noise-canceling technology that captures audio clearly from up to 1 meter away without amplifying background noise so your conversations always sound natural and clear. The webcam has an adjustable mounting clip that securely mounts to your laptop, display, or tabletop. The clip can also be removed so the camera can mount to a tripod. A flippable lens shade is included to protect the lens and ensure privacy and peace of mind when the webcam isn't in use. The camera can be set up using a USB 2.0 or USB 3.0 port. 4K video requires a USB 3.0 port. The camera can also be used with USB-C with an adapter. The Brio is certified for business and features integrated optical sensors and infrared sensors that support Windows Hello. The Logitune desktop app simplifies personal device control and customization. The app works unobtrusively on your screen and has multiple settings including zoom in, zoom out, color presets, color adjustments, manual focus, and more. If you're looking for a webcam that can capture the most detail, take a look at the Logitech Brio. Number 2. Best Premium Webcam, Razer Kiyo Pro. The Razer Kiyo Pro is our selection as the best premium webcam. The camera features an adaptive light sensor with StarViz technology that can detect how bright or dark its surroundings are and adjust accordingly for picture-perfect clarity. It has a 16:9 aspect ratio and captures uncompressed video up to 1080p at 60 frames per second for a level of visual fidelity that's as sharp as it is smooth. HDR can be activated at 30 frames per second to ramp up the dynamic range while correcting over and underexposed areas. It also captures still images at 1920 by 1080 resolution. The webcam features an adjustable field of view. Select between 80-degree field of view, 90-degree field of view, or 103-degree field of view to show off more of your setup and surrounding, or capture more people in your shot, and an omnidirectional microphone to capture your voice. It has flexible mounting options with a stable webcam mount that can be tilted to the perfect angle on your monitor or table and can be detached if you want to mount it on a tripod. The easy plug-and-play USB 3.0 connection delivers a powerful 5 GB per second signal to your stream for maximum video performance with no compression. The lens is designed with damage and scratch-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The privacy cover protects the webcam's lens and gives you the assurance and privacy when not in use. Use the Razer Synapse software to access customizations and settings for the webcam. If you're looking for a webcam with premium features, the Razer Kiyo Pro is the one for you. Before we continue, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icons to stay up to date with the latest product reviews. Number 1. Best Overall Webcam, Logitech C920S. The Logitech C920S tops our list as the best overall webcam. The camera is equipped with automatic HD light correction and uses Logitech Right Light 2 technology to adjust to your lighting conditions to produce bright, contrasted images even if you're in a dim setting. The webcam has a full HD glass lens that delivers 1080p at 30 frames per second, or 720p at 30 frames per second at 16:9 aspect ratio. The 5-element glass lens captures razor-sharp images in clear colors while autofocus adjusts smoothly and precisely for consistent definition and fluid video. It has a 78-degree diagonal field of view. Dual microphones on the sides of the camera support stereo audio and capture more realistic sound from a broader range of angles so your voice comes through sounding natural and clear in conference calls. The tripod-ready universal mounting clip fits laptops, monitors, and other displays, while the convenient privacy shutter easily flips closed when you want to be off-camera, protecting the lens and your privacy. It uses a USB 2.0 connection. The Logitech Capture app supports a suite of features that lets you fully edit and customize your stream, so you can add transitions and text overlays, customize webcam settings, and more. If you're looking for a reliable webcam that has proven itself over the years, the Logitech C920S won't disappoint. That's it for our list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the next video for more product reviews. Until next time, this has been the Tech Thrill.